Wanna play it up?
Let's play in one click.
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 AnkerMake M5C. Play in one click. Wanna play it up?
Let's play in one click.
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 AnkerMake M5C. Play in one click. Wanna play it up?
Let's play in one click.
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 AnkerMake M5C. Play in one click.
Introducing the Finder One 136, an LCD 3D printer developed and manufactured by ChromaSet. As you can see, the Finder One 136 features a beautiful dual-door design, smooth metal CNC engraving, seamlessly integrating elegance and functionality. Finder One 136 is perfectly paired with our slicing software, CoolSlicer. Equipped with a powerful COB light source, the Finder One 136 offers 2.5 times the brightness of similar products, significantly reducing layer exposure time. To enhance performance, we have independently developed a print screen module with a 4-layer structure, providing damage protection and cleaning for the printing screen. Furthermore, we have reimagined the structure of traditional LCD 3D printers and updated it. We integrated the key components of the machine into a detachable control system box, making maintenance work more convenient. The Finder One 136 boasts a large printing volume. Its high-intensity COB light source opens up new possibilities for high-speed printing, reaching a maximum speed of 120 millimeters per hour. To ensure print quality, we equipped it with a Z-axis module and high-power motors of equivalent strength, providing the Finder One 136 with higher stability and precision while maintaining high-speed printing. Finder One 136 supports file transfer via Wi-Fi and USB interface. You can monitor the printing progress in real time through CoolSet Cloud app. We can bring your creativity to life and present them right in front of you with Finder One 136, a 13.6-inch 7K monoscreen high-speed LCD 3D printer. We are currently seeking support on Kickstarter, aiming to continuously provide you with exquisite and high-quality products. Join us on Kickstarter and support our campaign.
Your 3D printer can't keep up with your imagination anymore? Then it's time to meet with ChromaSet. Introducing ChromaSet, a complete bundle specially designed to enhance your 3D printing experience. It brings color, speed, and ease of control to your printer. ChromaPad, the heart of ChromaSet. It's the world's first multi-filament enabled 3D printing pad. It brings a universe of possibilities to your fingertips. Seamlessly connect up to 8 3D printers. Control them all remotely. Improve your workflow efficiency. Compatible with all 3D printers. Its extended slots provide seamless integration. Real-time monitoring with a USB camera. Behind the centralized control functionality, there is a robust integrated processor. Its advanced processor also brings speed. Get the product in your hand 3 times faster. ChromaScreen, our advanced Clipper-based built-in software. offers an elegantly intuitive interface tailored for the art of multicolor printing. Setup Wizard ensures hassle-free experience. Already rocking Clipper software on your printer? Meet the Clipper Chroma module. It's fast and limitless. The embedded Chroma hot end can heat up to 350 degrees Celsius. Its high temperature capacity allows you to utilize a wide range of filaments. Different colors, different materials. Thanks to Chroma Head's cutting mechanism, precision in every filament transition. Say goodbye to frustrating calibration efforts. CX1 Extruder, where speed and precision collide. Titanium gears, a dual drive system, and high torque. These features ensure powerful grip and thrust for smooth filament movement. With extended chrome module, add up to 5 ECMs to your chrome pad and expand up to 20 vibrant colors or diverse materials. We understand the challenges that come with 3D printing because we're enthusiasts, just like you. We've always been attuned to our community's voice. 2 years ago, our multi-filament module debuted on Kickstarter, innovating 3D printing color. We've since tackled other challenges to elevate your experience. Guided by 3 principles: modularity, compatibility, and upgradability. We're excited for ChromaSet, the culmination of our dedication. Let's take another leap forward together and embrace the next big thing. ChromaSet, the future of 3D printing.
Introducing UltraPrint 12K, the highest resolution 3D printer on the market today. It's got this handy flip design that makes it super easy to use. And the UltraPrint can go super fast with a max printing speed of 200 millimeters per hour. UltraPrint comes in 2 sizes, the 10.1-inch version and the 16-inch version. And it doesn't need any extra parts or assembly. The XY pixel is just 19 by 24 microns. This is all thanks to its 12K max resolution and this cool ball screw and dual rail design that makes sure every detail of your model is just right. It also allows for easy wireless file sharing through Wi-Fi and works well with a wide range of resin materials. To make sure your prints go smoothly, the UltraPrint has this automatic material feeding system that prevents any printing errors from happening. It also has a dual heating system and controls the resin temperature, keeping it stable while you're printing. This helps the resin adhere better and prevents it from coming loose prematurely. Furthermore, it minimizes thermal stress and deformation throughout the printing process, ensuring consistent stability in the shape and size of the printed model. This allows for a unified parameter for printing, regardless of the season. UltraPrint also includes a built-in air purification system, creating a safe and healthy printing environment by purifying odors emitted during the 3D printing process. After printing, you can simply press a button, and it automatically retrieves leftover materials, eliminating the need for manual resin removal, allowing you to work hands-free. Moreover, UltraPrint integrates both printing and curing functions, enhancing both time and cost efficiency. This is the UltraPrint 12K, turning your creative ideas into reality by making big and incredibly realistic models.